And somebody may be trying to make you do something that you don't want to do. I'm not sure what that was. But a path to money is waiting for you to find it in a temporary situation. So that's curious. A path to money is waiting for you to find it. Maybe there's some type of monetary reward.
1 second.
And whatever situation you're in right now is temporary.
Wash a look at it and say,
Just curious. So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go into the tarot and we're gonna look at this a little more deeply together. There's a wish here that you have and it shall be granted. You're being protected, your wish is being protected. You're being given spiritual guidance as well to help you get to this wish, helping you overcome any obstacles. The needle and thread, the Queen of Swords and the King of Wands. Very interesting energy. It is almost like the combination of mental clarity.
yes, there it goes. We were finally ready. This must be a challenging point for the bigs, side to side, and uncovers tycoon. Look at that fan. Now, are you ready for this college fun? Wait, we need a loop. What's with that? Oh, I don't need that anyways. Oh, side to side, black little. Black pig. Black pig. Black. Oh, I'm black. Side. Yeah.